When I was writing this study, I avoided defining grace. I would point to Jesus. Jesus never defined grace. He told stories about it. He described it. And what struck me, grace means that there's nothing that we can do to get God to love us more. No amount of trying to be spiritual, disciplining ourselves, whatever, that doesn't make God love you more. And there's nothing that we can do to make God love us less. The Bible is full of characters who do every wrong kind of thing you can think of. An infinite God already loves us as much as God possibly can.
Like natural beauty, grace is also something we shouldn't keep to ourselves. Those of us who follow Jesus are asked to take the gift of grace and spread it around. I'd like Christians to be known as dispensers of God's grace to a thirsty world.